Sir Val. Yes? Oh my God, I think he needs some warm-up. Yes. Dakila warm-up. Wow! Okay, how about sa massage? Flipper massage. There you go. Other flipper, please. Okay, now of course his favorite back massage. Alright, so Dakila Salas, are you ready? Yes. Okay, Sir Jimwell, Dakila is ready, sir, but you also need to warm up, sir. Okay, sir, we're waiting for hands on the seat, just like what Dakila did. Yes, sir. Now, follow my hand, okay? Ready? Now, go! Okay, sir, what are you doing? Come on. Hands on the seat, then follow my hand. Ready? Go! One more. Alright. Now stretch your arms for the massage. Come on. Massage. Okay, then back massage. So now, Sir Jimwell, are you ready? Yes. Okay, folks. Dakila is ready. Sir Jimwell is ready. Let the games begin. Round 1. Now, Sir Jimwell, we're starting out easy on you, okay? For round 1, all you have this. Okay? Instead of just there. And of course, don't forget to wiggle just like that. Very good job, Dakila. Okay, Sir Jimwell. Let's do it right in the middle, sir. Sige na po tayo.
Mika!
Okay, now Sir Jimwell, now it's your turn to turn. What are you doing? Turning, I know what you have to